At All Fleet Inc., we strive for excellence that goes beyond the ordinary. Our ambition stretches far higher into an extended pursuit of achievement and accomplishment. We come from generations that pass down a legacy of values and understanding, embodied through their generosity and shared wisdom. In this way, they taught us to show more than tell. We work with our hands, but mainly with our heart. Even when the road ahead is full of challenges, don't shy away from your ambitions. Embrace and fuel them. We continue to give our best because at the end of the day, we know exactly what it takes to be first.